Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I will tell you how to add plugins to your Minecraft server. In the previous video I have told that how to make a bucket Minecraft server. It is an tutorial series you can join. It is the link in the description below. And before getting started, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channels. And let's just start. First step, you have to open your browser and copy and paste this link in the description below, and this is where a lot of plugins available for your server. So I choose Word Edit. Click on the Word Edit and I will bring you to this page. You have to download over here, download it will bring you over here to download it, but I already have downloaded, so I don't want it to download. Then cancel, close this one. Here's the Word Edit jar file. It is always been the jar file, and then you have to open your server and open the plugin server and brought it into the plugins, and then back around the server. It will take some time. I made some folder for Word Edit, and I will be right back. I am back within to the tutorial after it's saying done, and minimize that and also this, and go to your Minecraft multiplayer and over here is my server. Join the server, and I have joined my server. Now you can use Word Edit in your Minecraft server. It's so odd. Ooh, the world is so strange. So now you can use Word Edit in your Minecraft server. You select out wand, and here you go, wand. And now you can do click, and over here I clicked set 0 air, set 199. It's this one. Set 2 grass, set 5 wood. Yeah, do a lot of time with the Word Edit. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure slap that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.